Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is well. Want to know how I made this beat? Let's go. Here's the beat breakdown. All right. So this was a sample. There was a sample in this beat, if you couldn't tell already. How I came up with this was, so I'm a big Michael Bublé fan. Michael Bublé's fire. He's fire. And one of his songs that I used here was called "You Don't Know Me." I don't remember exactly which album this was off. I think it's called "It's Time" or "In Time," I believe. I'm a big Michael Bublé fan, but it's been a minute since I listened to this album. You know, it's been a while. This is an old album of his. But so I'm just forgetting the title of the album. Anyway, let's get right into this. So I love this song. This song is fire. It's called "You Don't Know Me." I want to play it, but I also don't want to get copyright issues or anything like that. Any strikes on my video. So this is what we'll do. You go listen to the song yourself. I'll play like a quick little snippet of it. Hopefully it's not a strike.
You give your hand to me, and then you say hello, and I can hardly speak.
Right? So pretty much it's much slower than that. I sped it up. But I threw it in Serato, and I was just listening to different. I was just trying to find different samples. I catch.
No, you. No. No.
Okay, where is it?
No. No.
You know what I'm saying? Like it could. I was just looking for a bunch of samples, a bunch of different ideas, and I found one, and it was this.
Just a friend. Just a friend.
But
Just a friend.
I was like,
Just a friend.
okay. I was like, how does that? Because the rhythm is
Just a friend.
it's really quick. So what I like to do, and what Serato allows me to do, which is fire, you can separate all the elements of a song. You can separate the drums, separate the bass, separate the chords, piano, whatever it is, or you can separate the vocals, right? So I stripped it down. I took the drums off, took off the instruments, all the instrumentation I took off, and I just had the acapella, and I was like,
You tell.
that's fire. I like that. That's hard. And then I came across this.
Just a friend.
I was like, what?
Just a friend. 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 Just a friend.
Right? And then I was like, okay, I need a little filler, and I found this. Right? So
Just a friend. 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 Just a friend.
so that's how I came up with that. And I was like, bro, let's go. Let's add some drums to this. So here is how I did it. So we're gonna solo everything and pretty much just go along with as it goes. I wanted to make it a little interesting, so I transposed it right here down. I put it down 12. So this was it at 0.
Just a friend. Just a friend.
And I just put it down to, I transposed it to -12.
Just a friend. 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 Just a friend.
So that's how I played that in, and then I printed it, right? And so that's what I have there. And so that's what I came up with, man. I was like, yo, let's go. So this is
just a friend. Just a friend. Just a friend. Just a friend.
so that's it. I just added that sound here from Contact, instrument from Glaze, right? Froggish. Fire, fire. So yeah, pretty much this is it right here.
Just a friend, just a friend.
And then I added a little bit extra. Then we added our bass note, like a, you know, some lower end. Hey! Yeah. Hey, hey. Then we added hi-hats. Right? Got the vibe going. I was like, okay, okay. Let's bring the sample back.
Just a friend, just a friend, just a friend.
So far, this is how it sounded.
Just a friend, 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 just a friend.
Then added the kicker. The kicker.
Just a friend, 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 just a friend. Just a friend, just a friend, just a friend.
All right, so this is how I put it all together.
Just a friend, just a friend.
Hey, hard.
Just a friend.
But then I was like, yo, nah, the intro needs something right there. I like that little break and then the kick just comes in, but I was like, I need to add a little something. So I added a DJ scratch.
Just a friend, just a friend.
Hey,
Just a friend, just a friend.
hey.
Just a friend, just a friend. 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 Just a friend, just a friend.
Hey.
Just a friend, just a friend.
So guys, fire. Don't sleep on songs that you love. Like, there's some samples out there, some older songs that you probably are listening to regularly. Like, sample it. Mess around with it. Get Serato sample. Take out some of the elements. Take out the drums. Take out the vocals. Mess around and just go crazy with stuff. Just go crazy. You know, you could just...
Just a friend, just.
You never know what you will find. You just gotta stick with it, and something will pop, and you'll have a rhythm. Something like there will be some type of rhythm going, and you'll just catch a vibe with something. Don't ever underestimate the power of sampling. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Just want to hop on here and do a quick beat breakdown of how I made this beat. There'll be more videos of how I break down other beats that I've done. Hopefully they help you guys, and hopefully you enjoy it. And like I said in our previous videos, send me stuff. You know my email's there. Check the description, it's all there. Send me stuff. Let me see what you guys are working on. Appreciate you guys watching. Until next time, and remember, treat others the way you want to be treated. Peace.